Back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Paralives game crashing or not loading, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, crashing at startup, or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to restart our PC as well as Steam. So Steam user, just click on Steam option over here. Now click on exit. After that, click on Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart our PC as well as Steam. Once you have done this, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application. Now right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automations, hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option. So now search for Windows security. Click on firewall network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app. Click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once you add it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So it may take some time. Once the game files is verified, now try to launch the game. Next is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on general. Here you have to type -dx11, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12, and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to stop overclock CPU or GPU settings. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it, because this can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So you are suggested to stop the overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, or after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows update option, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So just Steam users, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if there is any antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it before you launch the game, because most of the time the antivirus software stops you from playing the game. So make sure to disable it, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics cards. For that, go to the search option. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding the game, click on the arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if you can play it. Next is to close unnecessary background apps. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select them, right click on it, and click on enter. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it, and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Once it is finished, you have to close this, and after that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the search option, search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then reinstall Paralives game, and then click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or launching or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Paralives game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.